right, guys, so we're going to be looking at linear equations, solving simple linear equations. All right, and we're going to use the flowchart method. But before we go into it, let me just remind you what linear equations are. These are equations where the variables, the letter or the symbol, has a exponent of 1. So it's where your exponent is always 1. The exponent or the power or the index of your variables is 1. Cannot be anything else. All right, this means when you plot the equation, you will get a straight line graph. All right, so let's jump right into the flowchart method. If you watch my previous video, you will see how we did a simpler equation. You can check that one. All right, so we start out with the variable x, and we do the first operation beside the variable and so on. So the number beside the variable is 2, right? The operation is what? Multiplication. So our variable first operation is to multiply by 2, and that gave us 2x. All right, the next operation beside 2x is plus 5. So our next operation is plus 5. This will give us 2x plus 5. See that? Next operation after that is this sign, the fraction sign actually means to divide. So it's divide by 3. So divide by 3 give us the 2x plus 5 divided by 3. Right? So the equation is equal to, all right, and the equation is equal to negative 11. So the equation is equal to negative 11. Now as we go up, we do the opposite of what is over this side, right? So we have a negative, a dividing 3 here. We will multiply, which is the opposite. So we get 3 times negative 11 give us a negative 33. Because remember, once they are not the same sign, you're going to get a negative. You're multiplying and the numbers are not the same sign, you'll get a negative result, right? The next operation, opposite of plus 5, minus 5. So we take a negative 5 from a negative 33. Both numbers there, negative. So we're going to add. But our result will still be negative because it is basically saying you owe 33. Then you're going to owe 5 more. So in all, you owe 38. All right? And the next operation now is to do the opposite of that, which is dividing by 2. So when we divide a negative 38, so one positive, one negative, so our result must be negative, right? When we divide a negative 38 by 2, then our answer is going to be 19. So it's a negative 19. So what this means is that x is equal to negative 19. It means when you put negative 19 here, add 5 to it, and divide by 3, you will get negative 11. 2 times negative 19 is what? Negative 38. Negative 38 plus 5. You owe 38 and have 5. So when you give them the 5, you still owe what? 33. Still a negative 33. So when you divide 3 into negative 33, you get negative 11.